Hey everyone, back again with the video to help you out and to help me out. This is how to remove, or this is the location, not necessarily the removal, just the location of the automatic temperature control module in a 2014 Ford Edge. This applies to 2013s and probably back a couple years, probably forward a couple years. I don't know the recipe. But for this 2014 Ford Edge, this is the module that controls your temperature controls from your buttons on the dash. And if you're having issues where your settings aren't changing, or your modes aren't changing, or your speeds aren't changing, all that goes through this module. So if you're having those issues, this might be the culprit. I don't know what needs to be done to make this module work in another vehicle. I don't know if you can just plug this in and it automatically works, or if there's some kind of procedure that you need to go through to make this work in another car. So I don't know that. But for my purposes, I'm pulling this from a junk vehicle in a junkyard for a customer who needs it. I don't know what their issues are, or if this module will fix those issues. This is simply to show you where this thing is, because this thing, I've had this module multiple times and I've been unable to find it, and I finally just bit the bullet and just started pulling the dash out of this particular Ford Edge to find it. I have broken the dash in the process, but to show you where it is, I did this. So if it stops and prevents you from having to destroy your dash, drop a like, thumbs up, share, comment, whatever you got to do to show your appreciation, because I appreciate this being done for myself, because I'll probably have to come back and watch this video again. Enough of my blabbing. This module is located directly above your hood release. So your hood release is here on the left side beside the steering column, which I've already removed, as I've already stated. It is mounted right here underneath the dash. So in order to get to this, you'll have to remove the knee bolster that sits underneath the steering column. There's two 10mm bolts, one right over on this side, right here, and one right over here. Remove those two, and you can pull your knee bolster out from underneath the dash. I also removed the left side kick panel here. I just got underneath the back side over here and pried up on it and popped these two pins out, and then pulled this whole thing out just to give you more room and the ability to get in here and see what you're doing. Now I can't say for certain what it looks like from underneath, simply because I did some unscheduled dismantling over here. But removing that area here will give you access to a single 7mm bolt right here. Now this tab right here contains or holds the a hose for the heater controls, for the heater that actually runs from up here straight over here to the door hole. So that's where that's going to go. But from underneath, you'll have a 7mm bolt right here, and you'll take that 7mm out, it'll drop down, and you pull it straight towards you. The other half of the module just sits in this groove right here in this hole. So it'll look like this. Remove that 7, lower it down, pull it out to you. There's two plugs on the back side, which are these two plugs right here. Just squeeze the back side of the big one here to release it, and then on this one you have to squeeze this little ridged area right here to remove it. But this is where that sucker is. It says, my paperwork, my instructions said center dash, and obviously this is not the center of the dash. This is left side kick panel above the hood release. So with that being said, if this helped you find yours, and I may end up liking this or coming back to this later, because this probably won't be the last time I'll have to do this, drop a like down below and all the things. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll see you next time.